Hi guys, so welcome back. Hope you enjoyed part one. I like to spend a little bit of time going through all the detail and showing all the bits and pieces. If there's bits and pieces that you want to fast forward through. Otherwise, a lot of guys tend to want a lot of the detail and really have a good, nice, slow look at the machine at all aspects. So that's what I tend to do in my videos. So they tend to be a little bit longer than most. If you just want the good bits, fast forward to the good bits. All right, let's take off where we left off. Alright guys, so she's all plugged in and set up. I'll be using it outside here until I can get it into the workshop. So let's pop on the fence, let's see how accurate she is out of the box. Now initially when I first put the fence on, I actually put the fence on the left side, which you can use it, but obviously all the rulers work to the right. Alright, so we've dialed that up to 36 centimetres. So we'll pop this through and see if we get the same cut. So we're at 35.95. We're about half a mil out. So we've got this little micro adjuster. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust it by half a mil. A little micro adjuster. Do these two screws, we'll just loosen them up. Now it should have had another half a mil, so that means we're going to move it this way. Right about there. Firm, not too tight. Perfect, that's simple. Right, let's see how she goes this time. I'll look at smaller measurements. Let's go 35. So let's go 34.9. Absolutely spot on. So it's just that simple little micro adjustment. How easy is that? How hard it can be getting bloody saw tables accurate. That's pretty accurate straight away. Alright guys, let's see how the miter gauge goes. So I'll just pop that in place. Let's get it all nice and square. Yep, dials up perfectly. Always get this square to the blade. Make sure that's firm. Okay, we've also got this adjustment here. Use it a bit of play, make sure it's flush with the table. Lock it in place. Make sure it slides nicely. Pop that down. Alright, nice smooth action. See if she's square, and she's square as. Perfect. That's great. I noticed a piece of timber actually dropped in below, So let's see how easy this is. Pull that out, slide that out, these out of the way, make sure she's unplugged. Unplugged. Let's unlock this. Alright, comes out nice and easy. And where did she go? Maybe I was seeing things. There we go. Maybe I missaw. Anyway, while this is open, I'll give you a quick look. Alright, so we've got two 54mm blade. So you got nice, lots of clearance under here. Nice easy access to use your tools to get her out. And again, there's not going to be really any build up of sawdust in there, as you can see from the cuts. It's pretty well, there's lots of canvas all the way around to channel the dust where it needs to. So I dare say the dust extraction is going to be quite good. And if you're looking below here, again, it's got a massive dust extraction port. Let's have a closer look. So she's well encased below, and you can see the build. And you can see that's the actual storage for the anti-kickback, if you decide you don't want to use it for some reason. Okie dokie. Alright, let's pop something a bit wider through there and see how she copes. Put that over. Alright, so this is all the way out to 83. Pop her in. So it's perfect. And again, this is where it'd be great to have an out-feed table, or else you're reaching across. But that was nice and balanced. Went through quite smoothly. Again, that little ledge there is great. And again, if you don't need it, it clips away really easy. Unlock her, push it back. Gosh, she's so good. Alright, let's look at what's next. Put the riding knife back in. Okay. Do that. Pop her in. Okay. So that push tip here, nice and easy access. Nice and easy, and again, that's a great position, straight back into place. So, just need to build cross leg now. Got me excited to be able to pull one out quite quickly. Alright, what's next? Alright, so here we have our on-off switch and child lock. So that's just so you can put that down so just the kids can't play with it, can't start it. Again, knowing what kids are, they'll eventually work it out. But that's a pretty good system. And again, so start and stop, very easy. Okay. So with this table, it's at the perfect height to be able to, with the knee. Height adjustment, super easy. Okay, angle adjustment. So let's check out the angle adjustment. Okay, nice and simple. Straight, 45 degree. Alright, let's pop something through it. Absolutely beautiful straight cut. So let's check the angle. Perfect. So pushing it all the way to the end gets you exactly 45 degrees, which is great because that's pretty much the #1 cut. So that's just a quick, nice and easy on the Dewalt 7491 actually -XE. So you'll see a lot more videos with this in the weeks, years, months ahead. I think I'm going to end up doing a lot more work on this than I did with the Triton. Love the Triton for 20 years. It's been great for me. Again, it's great for ripping down stuff. It's great for big sheets. There is a cross-cut mode where you can take the table off the top and put it underneath, but it's a bit painful, so I don't bother with it. So I'm hoping we can do a lot more intricate stuff with this one. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. If you like what you see, thumbs up. Any feedback or questions, pop them in the comment section below. If you're enjoying the channel, click subscribe, go through the normal spiel. I hope you like what I'm doing, and I try and put quite a bit of detail and information in there, and try and think of all the questions that would be posed to me if I was going to buy something like this, considering it's such a big investment too. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.